Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Hacoo app you click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Hacoo app and we click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Hacoo. Then you will uninstall your app and you can install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by liking.